Are you ready, teacher?
What? Where are I gone? In the class. No, there is no class. Who's the lady? So, hi kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. AashiEdu, do you know kids? I am your teacher. This is the YouTuber class, and my name is Ashish Singh. And today I will tell you 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. So let's tell it. Look, this is the computer. Where's the vowels word? O and E and U. So let's write it. Okay. Now will we do O. O done. Now U. Now E. This is the.
Last one.
Now wait. This is the first say. Nurse. U and E light. So where's the vowel's name? This and this. I think you now remember. So I will write it. U dislike, then E dislike. This is the nice. Now where's the vowels word? A and E.
Yeah.
Yes, A and E. A, E. Now this is the what is that? Chan. Now where's the vowels word? A and I. So I will write it. A, I. No, this is the pot. So where's the later vowels? Here and here and here. So where will we write? This is here, I think, here A, then octopus, octopus. Now, okay, if I say so I will write E.
Elephant.
Yes. And A for Aashi. And O for octopus. So what I can do?
What is what?
Eagle. E and A and again E. Okay, here will become E and A for Aashi. Now E. Done. Where's the okay. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel 2 to 5 the channel and like my video and subscribe to my channel and bell icon press and comment in the box my video and subscribe if do you want to learn. So do you like, share, my subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.